Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news today. We are having multiple news in Euro and USD today, but I have just filtered the medium to high impact news into the market. And that we are having at 6 p.m., 6:45 p.m., 10:30 p.m. and 10:45 p.m. We are having the high impact news at 10:45 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious since this could be a high spread and high volatility timing. So let's move to the charts. So as usual, this is the monthly chart and we are having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low and couldn't break this high. Rather, we broke below the strong low. This gave us a bearish bias into the monthly time frame. So after breaking the strong low, the price retraced back to this level over here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction. The price reacted from this strong zone and moved into the downward direction but couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather it swept it. This sweeping of the equal lows gave the market a bullish push. So there is nothing more to say into the monthly levels. Let's move to the weeklies. So this is the weekly chart, and what do we have is the price is having order flow, but we are moving into the downward direction. So currently, what is the area from where the price can actually react to? We are having this unmitigated wick, which had taken the liquidity of the previous low. So I'm anticipating the price to react from this level. So there is nothing more to say into the weeklies. Let's move to the dailies. This is the daily chart, and what do we have here is we are having an FVG along with this unmitigated OB. So I'm anticipating the price to slow down right here, give some movement and then mitigate this OB and show some bullish bias. So currently I'm anticipating the market to slow down and give some candles closed above the previous low of the candle. So let's move to the 4 hours for today's bias. So this is the 4-hour chart and we are currently getting a slowdown into the market, but it is still not confirmed. So I'll be moving into the 1 hour for a better picture. So this is the 1 hour chart and this is what we are having. Every FVG is mitigated right here, but this FVG is unmitigated along with this high. So I'm anticipating the price to take the Asia low and then most likely take the Asia high to mitigate this FVG and then move into the downward direction. So let's move to the smaller time frames for the confluence of this FVG. So yeah, the smaller time frames also approves the higher time frames FVG, and we are also having this FVG right here. So I'm anticipating the price to move into the upside direction, mitigate this FVG and then move into the downward direction towards this FVG again. So it may be a little complicated. So the clear bias is that we are going to take the Asia low, mitigate this unmitigated FVG and then move into the downward direction towards this OB. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.